Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Keychron M6 wireless mouse.
A productivity-focused device with a gaming-grade sensor.
Let's see if it's worth your investment.
The Keychron M6 is marketed as a no-frills productivity mouse, but don't let that fool you. It packs a powerful punch with its PixArt 3395 sensor, promising fast and accurate tracking, perfect for both work and play.
Design-wise,
the M6 takes cues from the popular Logitech MX Master Series, with a tall, curvy shape and a side-mounted scroll wheel. While it may not win any awards for innovation, its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use for hours on end.
One standout feature is the infinite scroll, activated with a simple button press, allowing for seamless scrolling through long documents or web pages. And with excellent battery life lasting weeks on a single charge, you can kiss those frequent charging breaks goodbye. In terms of performance, the M6 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a PixArt 3395 sensor, it offers precise tracking, making it suitable for gaming as well as everyday tasks. Plus, with customizable settings through the Keychron engine software, you can tailor the mouse to your preferences. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The design may be a bit uninspiring for some, lacking the flashy RGB lighting found in gaming mice. And for left-handed users, the ergonomics may not be ideal. Overall, the Keychron M6 wireless mouse offers a compelling combination of performance and affordability.
It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features.
Whether you're a productivity pro or a casual gamer, this mouse has you covered.
That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth analyses of the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy clicking!